CoastLife, it's October 1st. It's officially the start of spooky season. Now it's the perfect time to start carving out the pumpkins, getting your Halloween decorations in order, maybe even telling some ghost stories. And now I brought the crafting queen, a familiar face. I have Tori Seagraves here with us from Coast TV. You know her, you love her. Tori, how are you doing today?
I'm so great. I'm so excited for it to be October now. It's one of my other, I love summer very, very much, but fall is just something different entirely, and I love it so much.
Yes, I love the season of new beginnings and just starting afresh. Everybody just kind of rejuvenates and refreshes themselves. So
yes,
it's a great season for sure. And you brought a craft here with us today. You're going to walk us through it. It's called Ghost Stories, which I love the name. Tell us what it is. What do you need? How do we begin?
Yeah, so I found a similar concept to this online, as everyone does, and I have two nieces, so crafting is not few and far between when it comes to our family. So when I came up with this, I thought to myself, I really like books, and everyone has some leftover paper or newspaper or some old books that you might be ready to get rid of, like this one I found on a beach, and it's quite worn and torn, so it's perfect for something like this.
Yes.
So yeah, I just thought it would look great on someone's bookshelf too.
For sure.
And I have plenty of books at home. So when I'm doing this craft, I started by getting some of these pages out of an old book. This one is particularly cool for this craft because of the pages being a little torn on the edges, a little weathered looking.
The aesthetic of it.
Yeah, a little spooky, rustic vibe going on here. So I ripped those out, and I started by tracing them out, the ghost shapes on the paper.
Okay.
Then I went ahead and just cut multiple pages layered at a time, so because this could be taxing going through and cutting 20 ghosts out at a time, right? So getting that done as much as possible. And then we've got these little guys where I just put on some dots with a Sharpie for the eyes,
cute.
And we end up with these little guys. And I did different shapes and sizes because, if you sprinkle them along the twine, then it gives it a little variety, a little more depth.
Yes.
And I used twine, but I also thought maybe why not use string lights or something like that.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, so it just depends on what you're going for, I guess.
For sure. I know, it's a little windy out here, CoastLife. Some of our ghosts are flying away. But Tori, I really love this idea. I mean, it's a great craft you can do with your fan. It's quick, it's efficient, it's cheap. You see the kids are bored, you can just send them, say, cut out 5 more ghosts. Well, we need more. So, and then like you said, you can pin them on the string. You can get string lights and have it light up. You can use it as Halloween decor. This is just such a cute craft idea.
Yeah, I think when the kids are excited to see all the decorations go up, they want to be a part of that too. So this is something easy. My nieces are fairly young, both under the age of 10. So it's what's something that they can do that is still going to look good in your home, right? Because you still want it to hang up and to have. But it's also eco-friendly in my mind. I don't like spending a lot of money on decor because the things that people like to do each season changes, the trends change.
Yep.
So reduce, reuse as much as possible, thrift those things, or take a book that you've had for years and are tired of reading or don't want to see on your shelf anymore and turn it into little ghosts.
That is a brilliant idea. I love it, and I love how everybody can really get creative with it and kind of have their own style to it too. You can get construction paper, have different color ghosts. Yes. You can put googly eyes on them. There's a lot of different ways you can doctor this up, different ways you can hang up the string. So I love it. This is a brilliant, cheap, efficient, quick idea. Like you said, it's homemade too, and I love a good homemade craft. It's just, the decorations look a little different when it has that homey sense to it. You could tell somebody put time and effort into it also. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on today. I appreciate it. And for showing us this really cool craft.
Yeah, I'm glad I can celebrate the official start of spooky season with you guys. And I'm going to go get my pumpkin cold brew now and do another one of these.
Yes. Well, CoastLife, or should I say Ghost Life, don't go too far because there's still more on the way.